Hello, this is Mr. Miller. Well, I wanted to make a quick little video about what you need to be doing in your online class each day, like the easy way to navigate things, how to make sure you're doing the daily stuff correctly. So, here's Google Classroom for me. Whether you're honors or Algebra 2, it doesn't matter which one, they're both set up basically the same. So you need to be going to your classwork, and you'll notice, like here's today, this is 9/16. Every time there's going to be a read me first. You want to start there. This is going to tell you all the things you need to do that day. I also, as you'll notice right here, I put in here that we do have a quiz coming up next Wednesday, 23rd. That'll be done on your Chromebook through that Illuminate browser, so you need to make sure you got that working, functioning. If something comes up, let me know. Also, notes and things won't be posted till I've done them in class. I'm recording myself doing those notes in third hour for honors or in sixth hour for regular Algebra 2. And those will be available after that class. So that's why I have this set up where if you'd rather do it the morning of the next day, so for 9/16, if you'd rather do it 9/17 in the morning, or you can do it 9/16 after school, but you basically have till the end of that following day to get it done. So anyway, right on the list here, it says try and watch the warm-up. What does that mean? It means I should put the warm-up up here. Oops. So let's do this one for an example. So the warm-up, it's just a video. They're short, a couple minutes. I would start it and I'd pause it and I'd see, can you actually answer those questions? And then watch me actually go over it. That's what we're doing in class. That would be really helpful for you to do the same thing. Notes, video of me going over the notes. Follow along. Take notes if you need to. That's up to you. In this case, I made a little tips for how to do the assignment. But the assignment is the one that's on the Savvis website. And what I'm getting from a lot of you guys is you're getting kind of worked up when you missed something, but you had it right and maybe had a little symbol wrong, you had an extra space in there or something. Just pay attention to those little details. Those, for one, I'm not going to score this in your student view as the percent you get. If you get 82% on this, I'm going to mark that you completed it. So don't worry about the percentage grades. Don't freak about wanting to retake an assignment grade. You just want to make sure you know, what did you miss? What's the error you made? And if you can correct from there, then you're good. So don't panic if you're missing a question that you then do understand how to do. What else did I have on here? At the end of some of these, like this one, in this case, I did it beforehand, some tips for it. But anything that's like a worksheet or something where I'm going to go over it, I'll have a video of that as well. So maybe you're doing this assignment and you're kind of hung up. Well, go to the video that talks about it and see if you can get some tips. Be like, oh, okay, this is how I graph this problem. This is how the graphing tool works, or whatever it might be. Because I've done that on every assignment so far. Like when you did this 1-1 summary assignment, here was a video of me going over how to answer all the questions. So make sure you're watching those either during it or after it. And that's up to you. Whatever way works better for you, do that. Lastly, what I want to make sure you're clear on is with questions. A lot of you guys are either emailing me or are putting like a comment on the assignment. You can do like those private comments, which are awesome. Do those things when you have questions. But make sure your question's clear. Like just giving me the question of I don't get this, I can't help you there. Like I don't know what you don't get. So you need to be specific in what you're describing. Say things like, I don't understand why sometimes I use parentheses and sometimes I use brackets on an interval. That's a great question. That I can help answer. I don't get this doesn't help me, and it doesn't help you because I don't know what you don't get. Okay, so make sure when you ask questions, they're very clear and I understand what you don't understand, because then I can help you. Okay. And then the other thing is I'm going to try to set up, which I should be able to do now, no problem, is a Google Meet for after school tomorrow, which would be Thursday the 17th. For if anybody wants to pop in and just kind of ask questions, have me go over stuff, I will be able to do that and talk about those things. So I'll send out a little invite or a little blurb for that on here too. But I'll probably start doing that on Thursdays. That's the best day for me to be able to do things after school. But I'll send out some more information on that. So let me know if you got questions. And other than that, keep up the good work.